Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101. Today, we're diving into a powerful way to boost your confidence with daily affirmations. Now, affirmations might sound simple, but they have the potential to completely shift your mindset and transform how you see yourself. So, if you're ready to start feeling more confident and empowered, let's jump right in. What exactly are affirmations? They're positive statements that you say to yourself to challenge negative thoughts and reinforce positive beliefs. And here's the thing, your mind listens to what you tell it. By repeating affirmations consistently, you start to rewire your brain and build confidence from the inside out. Let's talk about some powerful affirmations you can start using today. You might say things like, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I deserve success and happiness." These aren't just words. They're a reminder to yourself of what's possible. Speak them with conviction, like you really mean it, and over time, your mind will start to believe them too. One great way to make affirmations a habit is to write them down. Stick them on your mirror, your laptop, or even your phone as reminders. Whenever you see them, take a moment to say them out loud or in your head. The more you repeat them, the more natural they'll start to feel. Over time, affirmations help to quiet that inner critic we all have, the one that makes us doubt ourselves. Instead, you'll begin to notice yourself standing taller, speaking with more certainty, and feeling more comfortable in your own skin. That's the beauty of this practice. It's simple but incredibly powerful. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your confidence and embrace a more positive mindset, give daily affirmations a try. Start small, be consistent, and watch how they can transform your self-belief. Remember, confidence isn't built overnight, but with affirmations, you're taking one powerful step each day. Thanks for tuning into Health Options 101. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little confidence boost today. Stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.